Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. We were replacing the front brake pads and rotors, rear brake pads and rotors. We're also doing a small tune-up on it, spark plugs, coils. We're about to get started on the spark plugs and coils. Again, we're working on a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. This is the 2.4 liter. Has 4 spark plugs, 4 coil packs, all right up top. You got 10 millimeters to remove the coil packs. I've already released my safety clips for each coil, so we'll go ahead and get those unplugged, zip them off, and then there's a lot of debris inside of here. I don't have anything to blow it off with, but I'm going to do my best to try to remove as much of this as I can, because you don't want none of that to go down in the spark plug wells. So moving these so I can pick up some of these big pieces. Oh, thank God that didn't break. This is dedication, y'all, because I don't have anything to blow it off with, so I'm blowing with my face. I know they'll be coming, so for those of you who are going to comment that I need a damn air compressor, buy one. Send it to me, because I'm not buying one. At least not right now. Who needs a compressor? I am a compressor. We're almost done. We're almost nice and clear. Just need to get this last little section out. See if I get my finger down there, break that up. All right. Nice little blow job. Early morning blow job. Nothing to it. I had a Nintendo 64 before. This ain't nothing new. All right, I'm gonna go grab some tools and then we'll get everything taken down, get the spark plugs out, get some new spark plugs in there. All right, now some people like to take all the coils out at once, then take all the spark plugs out and go from there. Me personally, I like to go one by one. So I'll remove a coil, remove the spark plug, in with the new spark plug, in with the new coil, and then on to the next one. So that's how I normally do it. These are Denso brand coil packs. Grab the Denso brand and the Denso brand spark plugs for it. That's one spark plug out. That's what she looks like there. It's not too bad. I've actually seen them come out when the valve cover's got a really bad oil leak and the seals are split. These would be, the spark plug wells would be doused in oil, and your spark plugs would come out with a lot of oil. Not a whole lot. You really shouldn't even be able to see it. Just a very small application of it. Never drop them straight in. Make sure you get those first couple of threads in properly. You don't want to mess up any threads going in. Or if she feels any type of tension or she feels tight going in, back her off, come back out, try again. That's one down. New coil's going on. And we'll throw a screw on top to let us know that that one is done. No need to tighten it yet. We'll move on to the next one. Pull the coil. Spark plug number 2 out. New one going in. All right, I'm gonna speed through the rest of these because it's all the same process as the very first one. So I'm gonna speed through this, hurry up and get that done. I think there's a hornet's nest somewhere over here in this corner. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get out of their area. Hornet's nest, wasp nest, whatever you want to call it. I don't deal with them. And there's one back here in this corner somewhere, and I don't know where it's at. Can't see where they keep going to. I just don't want to get stung today. Last one, get that pulled. I don't remember if I was recording when I pulled the engine cover off, but it just pops off, it clips off. So you gotta be a little aggressive, pull up on it, and it'll come right off. You repeat the process, plug everything back in. Don't forget to push your safety clips in, safety retainer clips, safety retaining clips, and then we'll get the engine cover back on. And all right, I'm gonna get her started, let her run for a bit, check for any lights or anything that might pop on. Shouldn't pop on or anything like that. We'll pump the brakes because we did do brakes on it, so we'll pump the brakes. Make sure, don't forget to pump your brakes after doing brakes. We'll pump those, let her run for a minute while I clean up my tools and everything, and then we'll get her on for a test drive. We'll test drive, make sure there's no noise or anything coming from the brakes, and everything checks out good, and then we'll be all done. Again, I thank you guys for watching. This is a 2013 Hyundai Tucson, 2.4 liter engine. We've done front brake pads and rotors, rear brake pads and rotors, spark plug replacement, coil pack replacement. So yeah, we're all done. Thank you guys for watching.